Yeah. Today, the Voice of the People's Party held an introductory public meeting to introduce the 29 MDC candidates who will be contesting in the upcoming MDC election on February 21st, 2025. The introduction was made by Dr. Kara H. Shen, Chairman of the VPP Disciplinary Committee, at a public meeting held at the Yaumsiang taxi stand. The meeting was attended by President of VPP, Ardent Mela Basayamoy, and other party members. Out of the 29 VPP MDC candidates, 4 are women. Speaking to the President of VPP, Basayamoy stated the party has established a presence in all areas and has been educating the public on how to select candidates and trusted in the wisdom of the general public.
Party kebaningkong laringi niwan kapor akinik atli council kajing perkhat kaji kamdei tang nakamta kajimuntoy jo party keban essential to hendai kadi kajimuntoy namta ka bet kabyang jo kinong tre katar kadi ka we ka priority mo ka mat ka ba khmat de ka party kan shim ban shim ka ji ikli ban pintina baki nong tre hapo kini ke atli ke dis council kemdei bandan ke jine hakaban yo e ka tulok ka jo.
BJP spokesperson